All right, guys, GBP, JPY buys. Let's see if we can get a nice little push to the upside with this news. Ooh, I mean, we got some we got some liquidity we just knocked out. So this is the idea right here. See this zone here. So I was aiming for this entry here. It didn't really happen, so I'm getting it where I can, taking it this high. No big deal. If we can get a push to the upside, I'll be fine. Would like to see a continuation of the upside. We already tapped that level right here. Pushed up, didn't make a new high, came up, rejected, came back down, tapped it again. So that's the idea. I mean, I'm still sticking with the bias of continuing the uptrend. So that's about it. We touched the area once right here. Had a lot of momentum to the upside. We didn't break the high. Came back down. We touched it again. Now we're seeing momentum again. Well, I'm just going to go with the trend then. Right? This like there's always two opportunities on those high volatility days. So I'm always mindful of still having the idea of what's the trend. Is the trend up or down? We're a little spazzy with price right now. Don't do it to me, GJ. Don't do it to me. And you fucking did it to me. I still want that buy. Yeah, man. I want that fucking buy. I'm trusting my buys, baby. I might get stopped out, but I'm trusting my buys. Yeah, price has been a little funny since his news release. I'm trusting those buys, GJ. That's a really nice candle. It's actually like a textbook demand zone that we would like to see. Only problem is there's no bottom wick on that candle, so that's kind of rough. But doesn't always need a bottom wick. Right, so let's look at this really quick. Big push to the upside, breaking structure to the left-hand side, right? Price came back down, touched that area. I actually already took a trade here to go continue up, and then news was coming out, so I got out. News came out, came all the way down, wiped out that original entry, and had rejection. So watch, we're go back up again. That's why a lot of people trade after news. Because if I got in this position and I just held it and I never closed out for profit right here just because news was about to come out, I would have got wiped out, probably got stopped out, just for price to go back in the same direction. So we can still melt from here, but at the same time, I'm seeing rejection. That's a good close. Could just have a major rally up after this news release. Yep, more major USD news. Brought to you by America. This could be a really good trade, guys. Oh, yeah, that's kind of like what I like to see. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I would have to hold it, though, to TP, especially on a news day, because on a news day, if we break that high, we're probably pushing. Like, a lot of people are going to buy breakouts. And that'll give me enough room for a breakout of at least 10 pips, if that makes sense. So I only have 10 pips above this high. So if we break this high, I'll probably get enough momentum from the market to give me a 10 pip breakout to the upside. And after that, I don't care. I mean, I'm not expecting a 20 pip breakout, but a 10 pip breakout above the high. If we can get it, we can get it. Seems doable. If I lose this, I'm done for the day, though. Why do I look so pale, bro? I look so pale. Normally, I wouldn't hold this either, except for a 2RR, which would probably be red at the high. But we have news, you know? So like I said, I'm just using that incentive of a lot of buying power breaking to the upside, giving buyers that, idea to buy. People are going to buy, price is going to move up a little bit, and then it may come back down. But if there's volatility and there's a good entry and we're going to a new high, it's like, I mean, why would I get out? I guess I'd rather get stopped out. Much rather get stopped out than miss out on the opportunity of a great entry and breaking a new high with a great RR. Just depends if we're going to find that momentum to the upside or not. Yeah, see, like these rejections right here, going back up. People are trying to buy this. Look at this. Oh, God. People are definitely trying to buy right now, dude. Ay, ay, ay. I mean, what better than for price to break that high that it acted like it wasn't going to break originally? Sorry, I'm just trying to get some picks here. With that momentum, I got to hold it. I don't know what to do. Can't really get out of it. Just showing me it wants to go up. See, if we break these highs right here, we're probably going to get a nice little push. And it gives me opportunity to close with some substantial profits. We gotta see it push through that. See, this is where a lot of new traders freak out. Like, I'm in a position here. It's the same risk. I'm actually risking a little bit more because of the volatility today in having a great entry. So I'm not closing anything until we break that high. Yeah, I'm taking that. Oh, it closed for me. Never mind. GG's. GG's, everybody. GG, everybody. GG's. Good game, everybody. GG's.